Hello my dear students, this is Pragazam sir from Math Beyond Marks, where you can learn concepts and marks will follow automatically. According to my conceptual saying, the new syllabus of class 9 has changed. Is it completely changed or partially changed? Let us see the video. Few chapters were left as it is without any changes. And one more shocking change. What is that? Topics from class 10 and even 11 has come to class 9. What is it? Class 10, class 11 and class 9. So class 10, class 11 comes to class 9, a little portion of that one. But don't worry, the core topics remains same. At first look, syllabus seems to be same, but actually the approach has completely changed. The approach of teaching completely changed. Yes, the approach is completely changed. The teaching, there is a challenge in teaching. So there will be automatically a challenge in learning. First, we'll go and see which topics remains same and which and all changed. Now comes world versus new. Old syllabus versus new syllabus. What are all the old syllabus having as it is and new changes and all we are going to see one by one. Okay, let's start with what not changed. That means old syllabus remains same. That is number system chapter. The order I am not giving. Chapter number system. Algebra, which includes polynomial and linear equation. Coordinate geometry. Geometry, which includes lines, triangles, quadrilaterals and circles. Then mensuration, then statistics. These topics remains as it is. So don't worry, core maths is still there. It is not a thing to worry. Okay, let us go to the syllabus, what and all changed. I said no. Some chapters have come from 11th to 9th. Yes, there is a big change in new chapter sequences and progressions. What are they? Geometric progression, arithmetic progression is being shifted from 11 to 9. But remember, not in depth. It is just an introduction only. Some formulas related to that, few questions like that. But there is no depth or there is no lighter side in this textbook because the textbook is framed such that there can be any question from any exercise, from anything. But remember, my tagline is working everywhere, concepts first, marks will follow automatically. In your draft syllabus, you could have seen two important words they gave. The new words introduced in this syllabus. What are they? CGs and CS. What are the CGs? What students should understand. So each topic says that what the student should understand. Then what is CS? Competencies. What does it mean? What students should be able to do after learning the CGS. What is that CGS? What the students has to learn. And this one, what students able to do with the help of those things. So the two things are comparable. That means what is that? They are having relationship. First one, what the student should learn, and after learning, what he is going to do with that one. Till now, we didn't have this type of approach, just learning. Now the second point also, what you are able to do after learning the concept. Each concept they have given as CG1, CG2, CG3, CGS1, CGS2 like that. It is being differentiated in the curriculum itself. So for example, CGs means understand linear equation. So understanding linear equation when the teacher teaches is first one. That is CGS. What is CS? Solving the real life problems using the equations. Using the equation means what? Whether the lines are parallel, whether they are intersecting, what the intersecting point, at where these two rockets will go and intersect. Like that. That is one example. Like that you will be able to understand. That is what students will be able to do. That's all. The real meaning of CGS is curricular goals, that is, it tells what to learn. And CS is competencies, it tells how to use it, applications. So next we can compare with the old system with the new system. What is that? In the old system, chapters only, but here CGs and CS were included. Now only just I said what is CGs and CS. Focus on the content is given in the old syllabus, but in the new syllabus, focusing on the skills, what a student individually, what skill they are having, like that this is going to be applied. Next one is learn and write. Learning and writing. You will learn in the classroom and write in the exam hall. Now here it is not like that. Think and apply. This I have shown while teaching class 8 syllabus itself. There is no questions, there is no exercise at all. The whole syllabus the teachers must read and go on eliminating line by line, explaining line by line. Then only the concepts can be understood by the students. What is the next impact? Earlier, students memorized the formulas. Now, students must understand, apply in real life, explain their thinking to the teacher, what they understood, what they are going to do with that one, what they are able to do. So, like that, every chapter is being designed in that manner only. Even the chapters which are all unchanged. Remember the topics only, chapters name only unchanged. The remaining content and all is being designed according to NEP 2020. What is NEP 2020? National Education Policy 2020. Next is, even if the chapters look same, evaluation will be different. Why? More application questions, less direct formula questions, because the chapters itself given like a text form. In that, what question will be asked, how it will be asked, you can't understand, you cannot predict that one. So what is that? You have to understand all the concepts, then you can answer any question what they are going to ask. So it is not based on the formulas. Now we can say like this also. Old syllabus taught maths. New syllabus teaches how to think in maths. Old syllabus taught maths. New syllabus says how to think in maths. What is it? In maths, how to think in maths? Yes, arithmetic progression is there. What that progression is used for, where and all we are going to use that one. Like that you are going to think. Square root, or if I want to say cubes and cube roots, in the last year you could have studied what is the application of that cubes and cube roots. That and all you are going to see each and every sum, what is its application. After learning that one question, what the student will be able to do, like that we are going to finish off. So CBSE is now saying, don't just learn the formulas, understand concepts first, which goes to my logic, concepts first, marks will follow. Are you clear, my dear children? So be ready for the next academic session. Now the book has changed totally. It's challenging for me and for you also. This year 9th, next year I'll go to 10th also, because challenge. I like the challenge. Do you like the challenge? Let you meet me through the mail ID, what I am going to put it in the description.